and welcome back to my channel. Today I have got you an amazing topic about the nebula part 2, that is the Horsehead Nebula. So in the last part we had discussed about Starbirth Nebula, and this part we are going to discuss about Horsehead Nebula. So you can see the image behind. You can give it a think about how it looks like a horse. When you see it the first time, you think that this doesn't look like a horse. But when you go in deep, when you see it for a long time, when you understand the directions, you get it. Okay. So let's go in deep and learn about the Horsehead Nebula. Yes. So, what is a Horsehead Nebula? So, a Horsehead Nebula is a small dark nebula in the constellation Orion. Okay, and in that constellation Orion, it is located in the south of Alnitak. That's again, division of the Orion constellation, and again after that, in Alnitak, the easternmost star of Orion's belt. So it has many divisions in it where it is located. So inside the Orion's belt, there's a very big part called as the Orion's molecular complex. So it is there. It's, in the divisions of many things, like we have our galaxy, the Milky Way. We have a solar system in that. Inside the solar system, on the third place near the sun, we have our Earths, and inside Earth there are many layers of the atmospheres, the stratosphere, troposphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. So all that, we have few divisions of those constellation Orion, and inside that it is located. So as I had told you in the last video, nebulas are a place where stars are born. Okay, so let's go to the next topic. Yes. So what's the origin and distance from the Horsehead Nebula from Earth? So the origin of the Horsehead Nebula was that it was discovered in 1888 by a Scottish astronomer, Williamina Fleming. Okay. So she was the first who had spotted out this galaxy, nebula, and told that about the scientists, the other astronomers, and then they started their, high discovery on it. And after that, slowly, all other scientists had discovered it about its, distance from Earth. So the distance from Earth is the Horsehead Nebula is about 1500 light years from Earth. Again, it's a very far very far distance, and it is one of the most known nebulas because of its shape. When we see the image, we just in a second we get to know this is the Horsehead Nebula. This is a Eagle Head Nebula. So that is why they have given these names: Horsehead, Eagle Head, Starbirth. So in Starbirth Nebula, you'll see many, bright points in that which will show you about the stars burning, which are, going to burn, or the stars which are very, very new, shining. Okay. And in the Eagle Head Nebula, you can see a eagle's face shaped, and you have the Horsehead Nebula on which we are talking about. So this was about the origin and distance. Yes, so what is the shape of the Horsehead Nebula? So as I told you, Horsehead Nebula is described from its name, and the first time you see, you cannot get to know. But that nebula is a cloud of cold gas and dust, where the stars are formed, and it's in the shape of a horse's head, something like this. Okay, like this. It's pointing towards like this, and it's the shape of a horse head. And why is it? It is because bright stars are backlighting the nebula. The bright stars, they give the light backlighting, but actually, the shape of the nebula is very big, but we can only see that part where it shows like this. That is because the bright stars are present there where they show their light, and only this much is able to, we can only view this much. But actually the nebula is spread more light years away. Okay, so this is what the shape of the tells us about. Yes, so this video ends here. I hope you have got some information about the Horsehead Nebula. Next time we are going to get the third part of the nebula, that is the Omega Nebula. Okay, so I'll see you there. Bye bye.